if you did have a Charles Schwab account, you don't have to trade using the Think or Swim platform. You can actually download or link the Dash software to your Think or Swim platform. If you can see the window here, like let me go to the same stock I was watching this morning, just to show you, like the tape. So DOS is the fastest order execution. Most people don't understand this or know this, and they say, why would I pay monthly for a platform if I can get it for free? But this allows me, for one, to use the same softwares that the bigger institutional players are using when they're executing trades. Prop firms use this. A lot of people, it's very popular because it's low latency and they have very light, like lightning fast order execution. Like literally, once you hit an order, it executes immediately. And rather than filling out orders the way normal people do, by like manually hitting a button or entering your amount of shares and what you're willing to trade. What Thinkorswim lacks is that it doesn't allow you to program your own hotkeys. In DOS Trader Pro, your hotkeys are 100% programmable. Like these are some of my hotkeys that I use, and you can adjust your size based on the amount of money you're willing to risk. This is a fixed risk hotkey, so when I double click on my screen, it automatically sets my stop to the area where I double click, and when I hit the button that I have programmed for that entry and the size, it enters at the market whatever number of shares it calculates based off of the distance between my stop loss and the price I'm willing to risk and the amount of shares. So it does a lot of the thinking for you. So when you don't have to think, you can react. And that's the most important thing is when you're seeing a setup, is being able to react on it and capitalize on it. And also the information and the order flow that comes through the DOS Trader Pro platform is a lot closer to the real-time transaction that's actually taking place. Here you're gonna have a little bit of a delay, and that's some of the drawbacks of using free software. You're gonna have minor things that might not seem like a lot, but when you're trading thousands of shares or risking your own capital, there are certain things that you can do to tweak it, and to keep more of your profits, to minimize your risk, basically. So yeah, this is Dell, and just to show you real quick what it looks like, Dell. This is the same thing. The time and sales are level 2. It doesn't move as fast, and what happens on the chart even is going to be a lot slower here than it is going to be in DOS Trader Pro. And you can see the difference. Like this screen is just, it's like a real-time order flow of what exactly, like as soon as the transaction takes place, it shows up here within milliseconds, like not even a second. This thing is showing you exactly what's happening. And then the arrow right here, you can see it's always wiggling because there's always movement in the market. So when I look at my Thinkorswim platform, like the bubble on the side of the screen for the actual price, it's really not even moving around. And the same thing with the time and sales level 2. It's just like a delayed feed. You can just tell there's a lot that you miss in those little seconds where the big move happens, and you want to get a better entry. For better entries and for fast order execution, hands down, DOS Trader Pro is the best. It's the best the market has to offer, and yes, you get what you pay for. So if you're comfortable using free software, by any means, but you can link this to your Charles Schwab account and use DOS Trader Pro. I use Interactive Brokers for trading just because order execution especially is important for me. So even though I paid like a small commission for each share, I get the best fills and I get the best order execution. That's the most important thing for me. And Charles Schwab, you don't pay commission, so it's 100% commission free, but you just, you get the delayed feed and you don't get interest on your money. One of the upsides of Interactive Brokers is that they give you interest on the money you have sitting. I have interest that just comes in every month based off of the money that I leave liquid. And since I'm mainly focused on day trading. I don't take any overnight positions in this account. So most of my money is sitting liquid in cash when it's in this account. Now, interest that I get on the money that's sitting in the account, like for example, if you have 100,000, you might get, a few $100 a month in interest, but that really beats um it really beats having your money sitting in an account that's not giving you anything. So even when I'm not trading, I'm making money with interactive brokers, and I just think that's really cool. You know, I'm gonna be sharing free game. I hope you liked the video. If you do have any suggestions or comments or concerns, please don't hesitate. Feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And yeah, as they say in the trading world, keep it green. And if you're interested in learning more about trading, or if you have any questions related to how you can get involved and be able to do this effectively and consistently, yeah, just shout it out, shoot your concerns, and I'll definitely mention them or address them in a future video.